Well, friends, here's a little something for you. Turkey Day is about 48 hours away. 2 days. That means a lot of you out there, you're getting pretty stressed out. Doesn't matter that this day is built around gratitude. It's still easy to get worried about everything going smoothly. Social scientists actually discovered that Americans have significantly shortened Thanksgiving dinners in recent years, especially when spending dinner with relatives of the opposite political party. So if you find yourself ducking out early, you're not alone. And of course, family isn't the only stressor. Food disasters can really put a damper on things too. Look at some of these responses I got during my Facebook Live. Melanie says she and her parents went to Branson, Missouri one year for the holiday, and because Dad wanted to see Christmas lights before dinner, all the restaurants were closed by the time they got around to it, and she wound up eating a turkey sandwich out of a gas station cooler. In the words of Clark W. Griswold, I'm so hungry I could eat a sandwich from a gas station. Tanya says when she hosted her first Thanksgiving, she had no idea what she was doing, so she made lasagna and pizza. Took her family 20 years to let her host again. And Loose Lips Lenita here, she blabbed to her brother that their mom's delicious homemade gravy actually came out of a jar.
How dare you, Lenita?
Yeah. And then there's this one, Lisa. Lisa says the first time she made homemade pumpkin pies, she forgot to take the wax paper out of the crust, and they got quite the surprise when they sliced into them.
Oh, that's funny.
So if something doesn't go quite right, you are in good company on Thursday. I love some of those stories. Just great stuff.
I'm only laughing with them, not at them.
Right.
We had lasagna one Thanksgiving. It's because we were visiting Lindsay. She couldn't come, and so my daughter, and so that was the easiest thing. We got 2 big things of lasagna.
Yeah. We're thankful you had plenty of lasagna.
That's right.
There you go.
All right. Jen's doing the cooking at her house on Thursday.